Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to download void check on RBC mobile. To download your void check on mobile app or on your desktop, it's a very simple process. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same, so you can follow this instruction as well. So first of all, you need to go ahead and log into your account. For that, tap the sign in button from the top right, enter in your credential and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and on the home page itself you have to go ahead and select account services. As you click on account services, then you'll be able to see this page where you need to scroll down a bit from the left hand sidebar and go to view and print void check. Just go ahead and select that, and now you need to select an account. After that, you need to agree to terms and conditions. Once you've done that, the void check will have 3 sets of preprint number that provides you the bank information. The first set is 5-digit transit number, and the second one is a 3-digit Intuit number, and the third one is your account number. So that's basically how you can print a void check. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.